If you follow our reviews, you would have noted that some of the electronics products with the best features tend to be from brands that are not particularly well known. This low brand recognition translates into substantial discount on the price in comparison to the competition, and you end up with a feature-packed, highly efficient, superlative product without having to shell out a bomb. The action camera we are covering today is a great example of this. It not only offers many impressive features not seen even in more well-known and expensive brands, but also comes with a whole lot of accessories that you would have to spend extra money to put together.
Here we go!
The AEE Technology S71 is a professional-grade, wearable, and gear-mountable action camera that offers true 4K resolution shooting at 15 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. You can also shoot at 2.7K, 960p, and 720p for unmatched versatility, including super slow motion at 120 frames per second at 720p. It also boasts of an impressive 10 times zoom, 147-degree wide-angle lens with f/2.7 aperture and 16-megapixel image capture capability. It also includes G-sensor acceleration technology, which gives it an auto start-stop recording functionality. The camera can compete with the best in terms of sturdiness too, an absolute must for any action cam. It can function well in the harshest of conditions, is waterproof up to a depth of 32 feet, and comes with a rugged, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof case, and an optional IP68 rated housing can protect it up to depths of as much as 328 feet. So, whether you are skiing down an icy slope, diving underwater, or skydiving, you can be assured of this camera's peak performance. Other aspects of the AEE S71 that rank it among the best in class are its 300 feet plus Wi-Fi reach, the iOS and Android compatible app that lets you edit video and audio easily, and a robust 1500 mAh battery. All this is packed in a gadget that's just 2.3 by 1.3 by 1.7 inches in size and weighs less than 3 ounces, making it highly portable and operable even while engaging in intense action. And as if these features weren't enough, the camera kit comes with a bunch of handy accessories. These include a 2-inch LCD color display screen, remote control, and multiple mounts. As you can note, the AEE S71 gets you all the features you'd expect in a top-class action cam with additional accessories to boot, all at a price less than most comparable cameras. Let's see how it fares in the user reviews. It has earned a fairly impressive average of 3.7 on 5 stars, a score we suspect will only improve as more customers contribute their reviews. That's all from us on the AEE Technology S71 Action Cam for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Check out our other reviews of wearable cameras here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.